Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hotel Viewing, featuring a review of the Hotel Rivet House. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and share it with your friends. With a stay at Rivet House in Athens, you'll be a 5-minute drive from University of Georgia and 7 minutes from Sanford Stadium. This spa hotel is 0.5 miles, 0.8 kilometers from Athens Institute for Contemporary Art and 1.1 miles, 1.7 kilometers from Riverside Park. Pamper yourself with a visit to the spa, which offers massages, body treatments, and facials. Additional amenities at this hotel include complimentary wireless internet access, wedding services, and a reception hall. Rivet House has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it by following the link in the description. If you have already stayed at this hotel, you can leave your review in the comments. We are looking forward to your rating for this hotel. The hotel offers several types of breakfasts and various amenities. You can find more details by following the link in the description. Rivet House has several rooms available for accommodation. If you like the hotel, you can book it on trip.com by following the link in the description.